Today, you're going to be doing a taste test. You're both going to be tasting the most bitter substance ever made.
It's quite a claim.
Nervous about it?
I don't like bitter.
How does that make you feel?
Nervous.
I'm actually sweating. My palms are so sweaty right now. So this is what you're going to be sampling today.
Thank you.
What does it say?
Bitrex Taste Test.
Bitrex.
That
sounds like it'll be really like super bitter.
Yeah.
I read that as Brexit taste
But
test.
that's what I was just like, are we in the right interview or is this the Brexit?
On this taste strip is something known as Bitrex, the most bitterest substance in the world, according to the Guinness Book of Records. It's made by a company called Johnson Matthey, a global science and chemicals company and a leader in sustainable technologies.
Interesting.
Can you think of a reason why they would make this substance?
So they can be on the Guinness World Record.
Would they put it on things that could be dangerous to eat?
I mean,
Eating stuff or something like
it
that?
says helping protect children on it, so I think you're right. It's made by a company called Johnson Matthey. Kerry, you actually work for Johnson Matthey?
I do. I run the graduate programme for the UK over at Johnson Matthey, so one of the things we manufacture is Bitrex.
And what is Bitrex used for?
We use it for all sorts of things. We put it in medicines and household products and automotive products to make children safe so that if they taste it, they spit it back out and they don't eat anything poisonous.
Oh, that makes sense.
That's so
So
smart.
they're just like, yeah.
Will it make us sick?
Don't worry, it's completely harmless. What do we do?
Well, what do we do?
What you need to do is you need to put the red bit on your tongue, hold it there for 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
That's a long time.
It is, yeah.
But I'd be like, oh.
And then remove it.
Do you want to know first?
Let's do it at the same time.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, cheers.
Yeah, cheers.
Let's go.
I can take it. I can take it away.
Conking? Okay.
Oh, it's disgusting. Oh my god.
Genuinely the worst thing I've ever had in my entire life.
That's awful. Oh, it's spreading.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Get it out.
Well, why do I keep doing this to myself?
I was about to say it's not that bad, and then I swallowed, and now it's so bad.
Oh, I swallowed.
It's to stop now.
Just swallow, don't swallow.
It needs
It's like the more and more saliva I produce, the worse it gets.
It's genuinely getting worse, yeah.
Are you okay?
That's so gross. It's kind of like, you know, when you've ever had like too much shampoo in your mouth.
I'm done.
This
I'm done.
is the
I need the
induction
chocolate.
process. This is the induction process.
I
This
should
is how,
do this in assessment centres.
Yeah, this is how you get a job at Johnson Matthey, guys. The taste test. Can you handle it? Spreading to my brain.
No, that's actually disgusting. Oh.
It's still like, okay, this is really helping actually.
Oh, the chocolate doesn't help. The chocolate does not help.
A child wouldn't eat that.
I was one of those kids that would just eat anything. I've probably definitely tried that.
It tastes like if you swallow like washing up powder.
Why have you swallowed washing up powder?
It's like I've just drank a pint of bile.
There's like this thing in India, like hajmola, which I thought it would taste like, but it doesn't, and it's worse, and it's a million times worse than that.
What's kajmola?
Hajmola, it's like this weird candy thing that you have that's bitter and sour at the same time.
Okay. I'm Indian and I didn't know that. How bad is
Yeah,
that?
it's
eh?
really bad.
Johnson Matthey, the company that makes this product, they hire graduates who are interested in making a difference to people's lives and helping solve climate-related issues.
Nice.
They have graduate programs in science, operations, and commercial. Would you guys ever be interested in working for a company that helps solve problems like the environment?
Yeah,
Absolutely.
of course.
I think it's such an important part of society and it's growing in importance as well,
Yeah,
isn't it?
for sure.
I think a career is cool in that like you get to be a bit more creative. It's like that thing of like the wheel's already been discovered, now we have to figure out how to make it different and better.
Can you think of any other uses for Bitrex?
Well, it depends on how much you love your friends.
Definitely.
Torture.
Fools. That was a joint answer. If this was Family Fortunes, we would have won by now.
Great.